So today we're looking at like terms. Now, like terms would be, if you're having a look at an algebraic equation, the variable and the numbers, so the variable and the numbers, and you can add the numbers in together if they have the same variable. So I always like to say it's like the same, having the same surname. So x and x, they can add together. Okay, so with this one, if it was a plus 3x plus 2x, you'd be able to answer, and your answer would be 5x. Okay, all keeping the same surname. Now let me just move this up. Now, what would happen if you got 3a plus 3b? Okay, those cannot be added together because they've got different variables. So different A and B, those two are different, they can't be. So I always think of Smith and Jones can't be added together because they're different parts of the family. But what happens if you get this? Let's move them out the way. If you get 2AB plus 5BA. Now, I know they're not exactly the same because they've got AB and BA, but they actually are the same family. It's like saying John Green or Green John. Okay, it's just the same thing, just mixing them up. So A and B, and they're going to do that. They're going to mix them up and try and test you to see if you can see that they're the same. So as long as there's AB, if it had a C here, you wouldn't be able to add them together. But if that's got one A and one B, and that's got one A and one B and nothing else, yes, they can be added together. So that would, your answer there would be 7, and then you put it in alphabetical order, A, B. Okay. Let me show you one or two more examples. If we've got 2a plus 4ab, okay, no, can't add those together because you've got an a, here you've got an a as well, but you've got a b too. So that makes that a completely different surname. So no, they can't be added together. Okay, yeah, so I think that gives you an idea of what to do. So have a look, remember the surnames, okay, and they're either called like terms or unlike terms, obviously if they're not like. All right, I want you to go ahead and try it for me.